Welcome to another video by Elite Programmers. We teach live online Unity classes so you can learn to code and make games in Unity. While these videos are intended for our students, we hope that even if you are not a student of ours, that you enjoy our work and share with a friend and check out our website. So when you want to play your game in Unity, usually you just press the play button and then you can play it within the Unity editor. But the reality is that nobody does this in an actual game. We play it in a standalone program. So here's a little space game that one of our students made. It's kind of in its early phases, but we'll show you how you can deploy this so you can actually put on a USB drive so you can play it like a regular game. So here's how you would create a So here's how you would set up Unity to play as a standalone game. I'm going to go to File, Build Settings. I'm going to click Add Open Scenes. In this case, I already have my scene open. So here it says Scene 1 in the hierarchy on the left-hand side. And that's the same scene I have here. This has to include any other scenes that you want. Maybe you have multiple levels, that kind of thing. I'm going to build for PC. I'm going to click Build. Here it's going to ask me to select a folder. So I'm just going to create a new folder. And I will say Build 1.0. Enter. My folder is selected, then I press Select Folder, and it's going to build my project for me. Here we have a little progress bar. Okay, great. So now Unity is going to open up the folder that we just created. So here I am in my project folder, and I double click on Build 1, and I'm back in this scene. If I double click on the name of the project, then it will open up this little dialog box, and I can choose things like my resolution, whether or not it's windowed. I can choose my graphics quality. I can choose my input settings. I can remap my keys if I need to. And then I can press play. And here we have the game. And you can play it just like you would any other game. I can hit my asteroids, whatever. It's just a standalone game. And if I want to exit, I can just press the X like a normal program would. And that's pretty much it. So what I can do from this point, if I want to share this with someone else, I can copy my folder, copy, say I'm in my computer here and I want to share it to a friend, or I have a flash drive plugged in, maybe this drive here, let's pretend that's a flash drive. I can copy paste that anywhere I want, copy paste, and here we have it, build one, and if I click that here, it will run anywhere I put it. And that's it for the tutorial today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and that you learned something. If you have questions, just leave them in the comment section below. Feel free to subscribe and leave a like or a dislike. We value your feedback. Share with a friend, and don't forget to check out our website, eliteprogrammers.ca.